YouTube? So, this package just arrived and made my day. I've been waiting on this thing for a couple days and I thought it was gonna be well over a month till I got it. So it was pretty awesome to come home to this on the front door. So, as you already probably know from the description or the title of this video, this is a 3-piece carbon fiber rear diffuser for the M4. So yeah, it's got all sorts of funky Chinese writing on it because I got it off of eBay. I'll be honest, that carbon fiber lip that I got and the carbon fiber front splitters, the quality of the carbon fiber was actually awesome. I'm gonna buy this because it's affordable and see how it works. It's a cosmetic mod, so I honestly don't think that structural integrity is really something I'm looking for here. I'm just looking for something that fits clean and tight and doesn't look like it's junk. So I don't know what I'm getting into with this. I may end up having to just go buy a legitimate carbon fiber rear diffuser from somewhere more reputable if this one's garbage. But I figured for, I think it was like $450. I figured $450, if it works, that's a great deal. If it's crappy, it kind of sucks. But I'll learn from that mistake, and if it is crappy, I just won't buy it again. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so there's 3 pieces to this. This piece is definitely one of the smaller side pieces. This is probably one of the side pieces that goes around the back corner of the bumper on each side. So there's 2 of those, and then a larger middle section. I'm a little bit concerned because I don't have carbon fiber side skirts or a front lip, so I'm not sure. This is a pretty aggressive setup, so I'm not sure if it's gonna look off having such an aggressive rear diffuser with a no side skirts and no front lip, but we'll see how it looks. In general, just take a look at this. It actually looks really good. I'm really surprised by the build quality on this. The weave pattern is just clean. I'm excited about that. Here that looks great. Is the most important part that I'm excited about. The big center section is going to be awesome looking for the exhaust, because the back end of the car you can see up under, and you can see the gas tank, or not a gas tank, you can see up under it and see the muffler, and it's just silver. My car is all white with black accents, and you got this ugly silver aluminum muffler underneath there. It looks bad. I just think this diffuser is going to completely transform the back of the car. It's going to make it look way more aggressive, hide that exhaust, that muffler hanging out there, and then it'll fit in real nice around the the exhaust tips where the exhaust comes out. So I'm excited about that. Smells like some chemicals. Wow, that is awesome. Wow, that is nice. Okay, so this is what you'll see from the rear end of the car, and as you can see, everything tucks up under, and the exhaust is going to come out here. But this is that section I was talking about where I keep saying the tank. This is that section I was talking about where the exhaust muffler is just kind of visible. So this should hide it, and make that back end look way cleaner. So, wow, I'm impressed. I'm excited about it. Yeah, I'm just got off of work. I think I'm gonna go change my clothes, and then I'm gonna get out into the garage and bring you guys with me out there, and we'll install this and see how it looks. All right, guys, got changed into clothes that I don't care if I get dirty, so we can go and do this install. Man, it's still hot out here in Florida. It's freaking hot, so I have the garage door open. Partly because the mid-pipe without cats, or without the resonators and no cats, this car's exhaust stinks. So I've got the garage kind of airing out because it smells so bad in here. So bad. So when I'm sitting at red lights, it's pretty bad. But the sound is awesome. I can put up with that for the sound. So got some screws. They came with it. They look to be alright. I was kind of hoping to go with something a little bit more with a wider head on the top of it so that it gave a little bit more structural support. But we've got our main rear piece. This is gonna go on I can figure it out. There. So that kind of goes on like that. And wow, this thing just kind of wedges in there well, and there's bolts here that go in to hold that on, so I'm gonna kind of check that out. These are the side pieces. This is driver side rear, and this is passenger side rear. So as you can see, this thing's gonna go on here. Kind of get a look at it. Gonna fit right up in there, and I can't align it that good, but it's gonna be quite a bit hanging down, so it's gonna make the car look lower from the side profile. Hopefully it doesn't look really weird having that aggressive of a look with the no side skirts. It might look ridiculous, but you know what? I'm gonna rock it until I get side skirts anyway, so people are gonna probably talk, but that's okay. I don't mind. These pieces right here, there's holes that are going up into the bottom here, and you got a much bigger side here, so you can get a screwdriver in. Probably a little excessively large there, but essentially we're just going to take these screws, and I'm just going to screw right into the bottom side under here. It's plastic. These are self-tapping screws, so they'll screw right into this plastic here, and they'll hold this in there pretty well. So I think I might, depending on how this fits, I might end up going with a washer on there too, just to make sure there's a little bit of extra. Oh, actually that's a pretty decent sized screw, and that'll work fine. So yeah, I'm going to piece these on, but it looks like this rear piece here, where this is indented, that's indented because the section over here, this section here has got to fit up underneath that. So definitely the middle section goes on first, then you attach your side pieces. So I am going to start there. Alright, now we can fit this in here. Wow, that was pretty easy. So, what I need to do next is, what I think I'm gonna do is, after looking up under here, I realized these holes don't actually line up. I don't think they were meant to be there, but these were just plastic and they're sitting in there. So I'm actually gonna not put these back in because these will refrain from having a nice flush fit. So I'm gonna leave those out. There's a couple others there. They're just holding on this plastic piece, and leaving that one out is gonna be fine, I believe. So I'm gonna leave that out. Then I'm gonna go up under here and start putting some screws into those spots where those pieces were. So I'm gonna make sure we got a snug fit here now before I freaking bug. It's a weird looking bug. Not sure if you can see well. Trying to do my best. Should be able to just get up under there now with a screwdriver, hold this in place, and have no issues. Alright, so that is this side, and holy crap, that looks awesome. Look at that. Super aggressive looking, I love it. Carbon fiber looks so nice against the white, and this extra little lip here on the back, it's actually, it doesn't look weird having this without side skirts, I don't think. I also see it better in the light and kind of look at it. I kind of planned on getting carbon fiber side skirts anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and probably order those soon. And also a carbon fiber front lip to go along the front. That'll also kind of tie this whole carbon fiber all around the car look. So alright, I'm going to switch over to the other side and probably time-lapse that one for you so it's not as long. Alright, for some reason this side's giving me way more trouble with alignment, so I'm going to end this by getting some black vinyl and just taping this thing up so it holds itself, because Trying to hold it and screw these screws in is quite tricky. So this vinyl should help do the trick. There we go. That's going to be much better. Have it all lined up ahead of time. The vinyl. I'll throw some screws in to hold it in place. We should be good. Alrighty. Holy crap. This lighting is probably not the greatest. Let me get some better lighting. This is awesome. It looks so good. So aggressive from the sides. And from the rear now it's got this whole area is nice and filled in. You don't see the muffler. I guess you can see it a little bit down below, but I think from straight behind you're not going to see that. But overall, like, holy crap. This completely changed the back end of the car. Made it look awesome. Take this off. Diffuser done. Looks awesome. Chinese carbon fiber. Still looks good. It looks like it fits really nice. I'm loving the way it looks. It was relatively easy to install. I had a little bit of pain there with some of the things, but whew, it looks good. So definitely worth it. Worth taking a gamble on it. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. We're gonna be always gonna be ordering new parts for this, and I think it's time for me to start doing some motorcycle mods. I've already done exhaust to the bike, and I have some thoughts of doing a power commander, so interested in starting to get some more motorcycle content for the channel. And I think that if you guys have any parts that you want to see me install in the M4 or the FZ07, drop a comment down. I will look at the ones that get the most likes. Some of the posts with the most likes, that's probably the one I'll end up going with, and make some more install videos from there. So yes, again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're interested, and we'll see you on the next one.